good YouTube? It's your boy Till. As you guys tell from the title today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to sound like Bryalle and ARP and make good Zaytoven music. And yeah, I really appreciate the love y'all been showing on the other videos. Like, that shit's crazy. Like, Osama video doing great. The fucking Che video and my video doing great. I really appreciate it. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let's get it. I'm playing with the preset off.
Broke as hell. I'm rich as shit. Got YSL on my body, she suck my dick. I can't be by the bitch, so legit. That's on my kids. I been popping pills. I pop that lid. He dropped his low. Let's spin again. Let's spin his lid. It's so stupid, bro. Fall again and again. I don't fall back. I be hers and not my kid. Beat it, not my car. Please get away. See, I'm at the bar. Please get away. Hold on, wait my tongue. Money sex, drugs, God, it's on my mind. Money sex, drugs, I was outside. Let's be real quick. Pockets fat as hell. Money blue and shit. Got a foreign hoe. She be English fluent, bitch. She said this her elegant. Talking about Ellen generous. Niggas acting generous. Pockets fat like elephants. I just buy her vitamins. Show her I'm the veteran. I'm still in my Ricky, acting like a veteran. Bitch, I'm still a young nigga, so please don't get my element. Don't let me out of my element.
That is the preset with the preset off. I'm about to turn the video on, and yeah, I'm sure you guys shit. I really sound like Bryalle and ARP on this shit. I can't remember. Like, when I play, y'all gonna hear that shit, bro. Preset tough as fuck. Alright, here go the preset with the preset on.
I'm rich as shit. Got YSL on my body, she suck my dick. I can't be by the bit, I'm too legit, that's on my kids. I been popping pills, like left to right, I pop that lid. When he dropped his low, spin again and split his lid. It's so stupid, bro, she fall again and again. I don't fall back, cause I be hers and not my kid. Meaning not my con. Please get away, see I'm at the block. Please get away, hold on, wait my tongue. Money says drugs, good, it's on my mind. Money says drugs, I was outside. Let's be real quick. Pockets fat as hell. Money blue and shit. Got a foreign hoe. She be English fluent, bitch. She said this her elegant. Talking about Ellen generous. Niggas acting generous. Pockets fat like elephant. I just buy her vitamins to show her I'm the veteran. I'm still in my Ricky, acting like a veteran. Bitch, I'm still a young nigga, so please don't get my element. Don't let me out of my element.
You broke as hell. They are rich as shit. Nigga, got YSL. It's so fucking hard, nigga. This is the Bryalle fucking ARP preset. You gotta like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, tell me in the comments what other more videos y'all want, man. Thank you, man.